Josh here from JC Installs, your car audio team. Today we're going to have a wee look at a Zapco product which we have just received in. Zapco is a high-end manufacturer of amplifier and DSP technology. So this one is an 8-channel DSP, gives us the ability to take 8 inputs, process the signal and have 8 outputs. This one's especially cool because it will take speaker level input and RCA input, and it has speaker level output at 80 watts RMS times 8 channels. That's got plenty of grunt. Because this is computer tunable, what we're going to do is we're going to wire it up here on the bench so that way you can have a bit of a look at it running. Alright, let's get this thing wired up. Alright Ben, do you want to grab a computer, mate? Upon starting this up, I've realised it has a really cool feature. Bluetooth music streaming built into the DSP processor. It's quite a neat feature being able to have the Bluetooth music streaming as well, because it means if you've got a car that doesn't have Bluetooth music streaming and you want to upgrade and you can't change the stereo, something like this is going to be able to do it beautifully. So here we've got the computer plugged into the Zapco processor. It gives us equalization. It also gives us crossover points so we can adjust where the speakers should be playing and shouldn't be playing. It gives us time and phase delay, which is really cool. So one of the other really cool things with this DSP, you can download the app and redo time alignment, crossovers, volume levels via your phone, so you don't actually have to plug in your computer every time you want to retune it. The Zapco processor, this thing is cool.